Today, I'm excited to share a significant milestone for our company and the UAV industry as a whole. Draganfly has officially secured a Federal Aviation Administration waiver that allows us to conduct drone operations over people and moving vehicles in urban environments. Now, this accomplishment represents a critical step forward, not just for Draganfly, but for the drone industry, as this waiver is in the Boston area, which is one of the busiest airspaces and urban environments in the country. Our teams have worked tirelessly to ensure that this technology and our capabilities meets and exceeds the FAA's rigorous safety standards. This waiver validates the strength of our platforms and our commitment to advancing capabilities of drone technology in complex, densely populated urban environments. This milestone also opens the door to incredible opportunities, from critical medical logistic missions to infrastructure inspection and public safety missions, to specialized operations that demand precision, reliability, and advanced regulatory compliance. And with this waiver, we are able to safely and effectively address the unique challenges of urban deployments. At Draganfly, safety and innovation are at the core of everything that we do. This waiver is a testament to our team's dedication and to the trust that we've built with the regulatory authorities. It reflects our commitment to driving meaningful impact across industries, from public safety to defense to infrastructure and humanitarian aid. As we continue to lead the way in UAV technology, this achievement underscores our vision of a future where drones seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, enhancing safety, efficiency, and innovation. Thank you for supporting Draganfly, and we look forward to sharing more groundbreaking advancements with you soon. This is just the beginning as we aim to save time, money, and lives.